children. How are you all? Are you ready for today's class? Well, before that, let me know when did you wake up today? Oh, good. You woke up in the morning. All right. See here.
In the morning, the sun tells us to wake up. Before that, the rooster, the birds are tell us to wake up, isn't it? Tell me, who made you wake up in the morning? The sun, the rooster, the birds, your mama, alarm, or yourself? Oh, by yourself. Okay, very good. Children, a day is divided into 4 parts. Now, you know that the sun rises in the morning. Usually, in the morning, you wake up and go to school. Noon is the time the sun is directly over our head. In the noon, we have our lunch. The time between noon and evening is called afternoon. The sun sets in the evening. In the evening, we come back to home. The time between evening and morning is called night. And in the night, we go to bed. Like this, a day is divided into 4 parts, isn't it? Children, today we are going to learn more about time. We use clocks and watch to read time. Watch and clocks come in many designs and shapes. The common shapes are circular or rectangular. A clock has numbers from 1 to 12 written on it. It also has many big and small markings on its face. The bigger markings are for hours and the smaller markings are for minutes. Here, the red big numbers denote the hours and the blue small numbers denotes the minutes. There are 2 hands in a clock. The short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the minute hand. Here, the red short hand is the hour hand, the blue long hand is the minute hand. Some clocks have the second hand too. Here, this black long hand is the minute hand. The short red hand is the hour hand. There is one more hand which is thinner and longer than the other 2 hands. This is known as second hand. The second hand moves very fast. Clear? When the hour hand moves from one number to another, we call it 1 hour. The minute hand moves faster than the hour hand. It completes one full circle of the clock face in 1 hour. We usually read time in hours and minutes. When the minutes hand is at 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. When the minute hand is at 12, it means 0 minutes. Now, our minute hands and the hour hand is at 12. So, what's the time? 12. We read it 12 o'clock. One more example. Here, the hour hand is the short hand. The hour hand is at 1 and the minute hand is at 12. If the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand tells us the time. So, what's the time now? 1 o'clock. Clear? One more example. Here, the hour hand, the short hand is the hour hand. The hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. So, the hour hand tells us the time. Now, the time is 5 o'clock. Clear? Did you understand? Children, listen here. Let us go through some more examples. Now, we know when the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand tells us what time it is. Now, can you tell me the time? Yes. Look at the minute hand. The long hand is the minute hand, isn't it? The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 3. The hour hand is at 3. So the time is 3 o'clock. Clear? When the minute hand is at 12, the hour hand tells us time. So the hour hand is at 3, so 3 o'clock. Clear? See here. Tell me, the minute hand is at 12. This is the minute hand. The long hand is the minute hand. The minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is at 4. So the time is 4 o'clock. Clear? Next, look here. We can see only one hand. That means the hour hand and the minute hand is at 12. The hour hand and the minute hand is at 12. Now the time is 12 o'clock. The time is 12 o'clock. Clear? See here. Here the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand, the short hand is the hour hand. The short hand or the hour hand is at 7. So the time is 7 o'clock. Clear? Now the hour hand is at 8 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 8 o'clock. Clear? Now the hour hand is at 9 and the minute hand is at 12. The time is 9 o'clock. Clear? The time is 9 o'clock. Clear? Here, see here, the hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 12. The hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 10 o'clock. Time is 10 o'clock.
Children, now let us do an activity. Use a chart paper and make a model of clock like this. See here, this is our hour hand and this is the minute hand. Our hour hand is a short hand and the minute hand is the long hand. Now our hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is at 12. What's the time now? 3 o'clock, isn't it? Now our hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. Now the time 5 o'clock. Like this, change the needles and you can learn the time. Okay, everybody should make the model of this clock and take a photo of it and upload in our WhatsApp group. Okay, also do your textbook activities. Thank you. Have a nice day.